Guys, welcome back to 4 Wheel Builds. Today we'll get onto the Skoda Octavia. It's pretty much ready to go. There's only a couple of little things that need to be done, but essentially what I like to do is actually get the car cleaned inside, do a bit of detailing to make sure the car is drivable. Let's take a quick look inside and you'll see what I'm talking about. So guys, as you can see, the car has seen its better days. So let's get started, get our chemicals, get our rags, get our detailing brushes and get to work.
Let's take a look at this seat, guys, the driver's seat. It is absolutely filthy. It is dirty. And it's got some... The guy that used to drive this car was a smoker. You can smell inside the car. There's some burn marks in the carpet, so we'll need to figure out a way to do that, but I'm going to try to get this driver's seat cleaned up somewhat. It is going to get washed as well. I'm just waiting for the guy to have a free period to come and do that, but for the time being I just want to get this cleaned up as much as I can because it is absolutely filthy. You guys, take a look at this door trim. It's looking awesome now that I've cleaned it up. It's looking much better, much cleaner, smells much nicer as well. So looking brand spanking new. So let's get onto the seat, which is absolutely filthy, and onto the center console, and then we'll get onto the other door cards. Take a look at that, guys. A few minutes of work and all that filth that was here is gone, and the seat's looking much better. Obviously the material is not looking all that much better, but well, we'll get that washed out and then I'm sure it'll be looking fantastic. Alright, so now let's take a closer look at the center console, and it's, yeah, once again it's filthy. Have a look at the sides, guys. It's looking mighty dirty there as well, and on the sides there. Oh, this has got to get cleaned. Nielsen's APC. We've got a ADBL. or what else was spilt in there, I should say. But let's clean it all out. That when you're just doing this, guys, if you got a nasty car, just giving it a cleaning with APC is going to do you wonders, and it's going to make the car smell a lot nicer as well. Alright, so now get onto the rear driver's side door trim. Just going to spray down with APC. A good amount. Detailing brush, and away you go. That's the door card done. So as you can see, maybe this door card at the front and side, so still a spot there that needs to be done. But it's looking a lot cleaner than what it was earlier, and that's what we want. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do the plastics here, the center console in the rear here, and then I'll go on the other side. So maybe let me put you on time lapse, I'll get it done. Still, this bit here that I want to get done, so right on the end. Once again, just get it down there. Oh, geez. The mosquitoes are, I'll show you if you can see the mosquitoes, but they are having a feast on me today. I hope I'll get many subscriptions and many likes out of this, because I'll be paying at least half a liter in blood today to make this YouTube video for you guys. So please subscribe, please leave a like, leave a comment. It's going to help me out. Okay, and now there's some stains on here. Quite sure as to what happened, but there is some. Doing this stuff one-handed, it just makes it a bit of a pain. That's okay. I'm having fun. once again, guys, I'm doing this one-handed and it's a lot of fun. And that smaller detailing brush, it really gets in that hole. So I should be able to get this edge nice and clean. That was really dusty. No, guys, not sure if you guys noticed that, but really dusty. So that hasn't been cleaned since new. I can guarantee that. Look at that, guys. No more dust.
Well, the car's looking much neater now, much cleaner. Looks, yeah, I mean, overall the car was quite grimy and dirty, but yeah, nothing's really scratched up on it, which is the main point. It's, yeah, in really good condition, I must say. And I think once we get this, I mean, the worst thing I think is getting these seats washed and the carpet washed. Just make sure that we can get that done. Right, guys, one more thing we want to do is just put some of this shiny garage peach and mango air freshener. Wow, I wish we had smell vision. It smells awesome. It smells awesome, guys. So let me, you're not meant to just put onto any trim, plastic trim or anything like that. So the producer says to put it in areas where you get the air coming out in a footwell. So let's just spray it in somewhere there so you can actually really see it. So I did it already on the driver's side, and in the rear I did it next to these air vents on the feet for the rear passengers. And now we've got to turn the car on, turn the air circulation on, and it's gonna go throughout the car. So let's give it a go now. There's the car, looking much cleaner. Yeah, it's quite nice. It presents itself quite nicely. It's got those chrome accents. And obviously got the carbon fiber wrap that we did a while back. It's got some of those original carbon fiber accents in there as well. Alright, so I think we'll finish up for today. Let's get everything packed up and I'll see you guys in the next episode. So thanks for watching, thanks for being with us. Hope you enjoyed the episode. If you liked it, make sure you subscribe, because I've got 1,000,001 mosquito bites on me. So I've paid in blood today. I've paid in blood for this video. So guys, leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. See you guys soon.